Welcome to 146 Holstein Lane. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 2-car garage with a carriage style door, luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as stainless steel appliances inside. And a nice sized fenced backyard is located in the Burnside Farms subdivision in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, the VA hospital, Fort Jackson, as well as a quick commute to Forest Acres in downtown Columbia. So we're outside. You can see you have sidewalks on both sides of the street. Nice wide 2-car driveway leading up to the 2-car garage. You have some nice accents on the front of the home architecturally as well, with the carriage style garage door with the windows above, and also the vertical siding and some of the accents on the eaves as well. You have slightly covered front entry here as you approach. As you can see, nice front door. And we have a wasp here. Let's see if we can not let him get inside as we go in. So we're inside, and you can notice the gorgeous luxury vinyl plank flooring that is throughout. You enter into small foyer here, and then off this area, you have the two secondary bedrooms, as well as the second full bath. So it functions also as a guest bath off the entry. So you have one of the bedrooms here. You can see you have nice modern style ceiling fans throughout. Closet on the opposite side here. And then you have a second bedroom right next door. And these face the front and left side of the house if you are facing the house from the street. And then you can also see, of course, here the second full bathroom. The first will be in the primary, of course. And you have a single vanity and a shower and tub in here. And then access to the 2-car garage we just saw from the outside. You have a vehicle parked inside right now, so you can get an idea of the scale and space inside. So that is a sort of compact car, a small vehicle, just to give you an idea. But very nice sized garage, and you have the water shut off, so if you saw on the opposite wall there as well. Nice coat closet here, also just an open closet. And then this closet has the actual coat hanger, the coat rack to hang. And then open floor plan living and kitchen space. So you can see again the nice modern ceiling fan. You have some nice accent walls in here as well in blue. So the living room is open to the dining area here, as well as the kitchen. You can see in the kitchen you have a center island with a bar and granite countertops, as well as stainless steel appliances. There's a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range with the above range microwave. And then on this side, you have the dishwasher to the right of the sink. There also is a pantry on this side to the immediate left of the refrigerator as well. And then we'll swing you back around to the dining area. You can see the nice sliding glass door, built-in internal framing. And you also have really nice backyard with a patio, fully fenced back here, and a nice level yard. Does dip off some towards the fence on the sides a little bit, but pretty level platform. And then we'll continue. So off of the small hall, off the living space, you have your laundry room, which is a very nice size. You have some built-in shelving as well, and also an included washer and dryer. You will want to confirm with management that those will still be available and in place at the time of rental. They are here for now. And last but not least, you have your primary bedroom suite. You can see it's the largest of the 3 rooms, conveniently placed close to that laundry as well. And you have a ceiling fan in here like in the other rooms. And again, that beautiful flooring continues all the way throughout. Nice size single vanity in here, and also a shower and tub. Just a walk-in shower. You have some built-in sort of side shelving there for your toiletries. And then last but not least, the closet is sort of an open design, but it's nice and large, and you have hanging space and shelf space on those 3 walls. So that completes our tour of this lovely home, again here in Southeast Columbia at 146 Holstein Lane. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.